Hi everyone, Paul here from LimitlessTechReviewz, and it's been about a month since the iPad 2, a little over a month since the iPad 2 was released in the US. So I picked mine up a couple weeks ago, and I figured it would be a good time to do my review of this product. So this product comes in a 16GB, 32GB, and 64GB model. It has a 9.7-inch widescreen display. You can, I'm a little bit jumping around here, but you can get the 3G, you can get 3G plus Wi-Fi on a model if you would like, and each time you add 3G or extra gigabytes, you add $100. So I think the highest one comes out to about $800. So it's a fairly reasonably priced device. I definitely like it a lot. I had the first generation iPad, and I definitely like this one better. I find myself using it more. I find holding it better. I feel since it's lighter, racing games especially are easier to do, and along with the graphics are better because of the faster graphics processor. So let's go ahead and get into the review of this product. So here we have the iPad 2. On the front here we have the front-facing VGA resolution camera. On the back, we have the 720p HD video camera that shoots at 30 frames per second. On the top here, we have the sleep-wake button. We have the microphone, the 3G antenna, and the 3.5mm headset jack. On the bottom here, we have the 30-pin connector and the much improved speaker grill. Not so much louder, but definitely clearer. So this device is running iOS 4.2.1. It has a dual-core 1 GHz processor, Apple A5. So the performance of this device is pretty much all around better. So let's go ahead and load up a web page. I'm on the 3G AT&T network, so I'm just going to show you how well the processor handles. So as you can see, the web pages like apple.com load up pretty fast. Pinch to zoom is flawless. Well, not flawless. I mean, it's got its things, but everything loads up pretty quickly. So all around performance is better, as I mentioned. Apps load quicker, like this. As you can see, apps load a little bit quicker. Things go faster. But what's really cool about this is the 9 times faster graphics processing. So let's go ahead and load up a game called Infinity Blade. It's a very graphics intensive game, so it'll definitely give you a feel of how things look and feel, especially on the 9.7-inch diagonal LED-backlit glossy multi-touch display. So as you can see, it loads up extremely quickly. When I had this game on the iPad 1, it took like 10 minutes to load up, but as you can see here, it loaded up very quickly, and gameplay is just practically flawless. I'll do a test of gameplay probably in a different video. So let's go ahead and go back to the home screen. Moving through the multiple home screens is faster, everything's faster. So as you can see, there are 3 new built-in applications: the camera application, FaceTime application, and photo booth applications. All very cool applications that use the front-facing and back-facing camera, the front-facing VGA resolution camera and the back-facing 720p HD video camera. So all around, I think this device is a much needed improvement, has much needed improvements, especially over the iPad 1. I think it's going to dominate the market. I think the thinness is unbelievable. It's thinner than the iPhone 4. I think it's going to do very, very well, not that we don't already know that, especially since it's been flying off the shelves. So we're going to have tons more coverage of this device coming up, although there's not much more to cover, but we will have more coverage of it. We'll be comparing it to the Motorola Xoom, which we also have a full review coming up for that. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to the channel, and please subscribe if you haven't already.